Hey guys, I'm Emma Ryan, Integrative Nutrition Health Coach and founder and owner of Plant. Today we're making two different mocktails. I was just joking with the people who are also sitting in this room with me that I don't know how to make a cocktail to save my life. I don't know how to make a cocktail to save my life. But I sure try. So mocktails I love just because I don't always want to drink. Actually, I hardly ever want to drink. And at night, sometimes you just want something to sip on or something refreshing. So here we have it. So we're gonna do some fresh basil leaves in our first one. This is just gonna be basil, lemon juice, a little bit of honey, and sparkling water. So I have my fresh basil. I have about 2 ounces of lemon juice. I'm gonna do about 1 ounce of a local honey, and I mixed this with a little bit of water to make it pourable. And then I'm just gonna use this guy right here and just kind of smash it together. So I'm really just wanting the basil flavor to set in, essentially, to kind of open up. So you can just kind of stir it around, smash the basil leaves down. And then I'm gonna let that one sit for a second while we make our next one. So that's easy enough. Now for our second one, I'm going to do some fresh mint leaves in the bottom, some fresh ginger root slices. So this is good for digestion and immunity. And then I have 2 ounces of fresh lime juice. And then I will use my leftover 1 ounce honey mix. And that's just, again, local honey and hot water. Now I'll do the same thing. This time I really want to try to get the ginger. So I really want to try to press into the ginger root and make sure those flavors kind of open up. All right, cool. So now we have our 2 mixes that you can see. They're healthy, they're easy, they've got some nutritional benefits to them. I'm just gonna pour them over, each one over a glass of ice, and then we will add some sparkling water to the top of each one, and we're ready to drink. Whoop. So depending on which flavor profile you like better, you'll probably have a favorite. I think my favorite is the basil, but they're both good for different reasons. And again, they have different nutritional benefits. They'll both boost your immune system to some extent. So cheers. Hope you guys enjoy these mocktails. Share them with all of your friends and be sure to subscribe, comment below. I'll see you next time.